is up, ladies? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to have you. My question is, are you limited on time? Do you only have so much time on your hands to cook dinner, but you really long to just have delicious dinner cooked and ready for the family or your spouse or significant other? Because me too. And I discovered this recipe just recently and I was so excited to share it with you because it is quick, it is healthy, and it is freaking delicious. I'm sharing with you today four ingredients. 4 ingredients, chicken teriyaki that is a little bit sweet. You know what? I take that back. 5 ingredients. I forgot one thing. I need to go get garlic. Chicken teriyaki that is so quick. Throw together a side and you are on your way with you and your family enjoying a great dinner, continuing your healthy lifestyle. Okay, here's everything that you need. I do recommend screenshotting this and then subscribing to my channel so that you can view this video later when you're ready to make this. So you will need Sweet Baby Ray's no sugar added teriyaki marinade. It's very important that you use this because this is what is going to save so many calories as well as no added processed sugars. You will need a little bit of cornstarch, your choice of 0 calorie sweetener. I love this monk fruit sweetener. It really is good. Or maybe I would use stevia if I didn't have this. You will need some minced garlic and then about 2 pounds of chopped up chicken ready to go. All right, now you are going to heat up your pan as usual, and we use a cast iron skillet. We just love the way food tastes. It's a lot healthier of an option than non-stick with all the chemicals that come with that. So this is what we use. We usually use a little bit of butter to create the non-stick to it. Right here, I'm using just a little bit of avocado oil. As the pan heats up, I'm going to throw roughly 3 tablespoons of minced garlic in the pan. It's gonna start to sizzle. It's gonna flavor up the pan. Mind you, I am making enough for my husband and I. Our baby is too little. She does not eat the same food as us yet, but for us for 2 days. So whether you have a family of 4, this will probably feed a family of 4 to 5 or be good for yourself for a few days or for you and your spouse for 2 days or so. But keep in mind, you can always cut this recipe in half, or you can always double the recipe if you wanted to use it as meal prep and then eat all throughout the week because it is really, really good. Heat it up for later. So now that the pan is hot, ready to go, all you're gonna do is cook up the chicken. So I guess I actually forgot 2 ingredients, 2 simple things that I don't really think about because it's just such a common ingredient that I add. A little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. So I'm just going to eyeball it and sprinkle it over my chicken. This is optional, you don't even have to do this. Keep cooking it through. As the chicken's cooking, I just think something like this is so great because it is so quick and easy and healthy and high protein. And I gotta go get my kids soon. I also have to finish up a little bit of work before I go. I understand, like, you are busy, you are a busy mama, you are a busy student, whatever it is, our time is limited, but I promise that there's always a way to make your life healthy and turn it into a lifestyle and find a way to enjoy it. When the chicken is almost cooked through, you are going to take 1 cup of this no sugar added chicken teriyaki. 1 whole cup, pour it over, and I wanna share something crazy with you. If you were to take 1 cup of regular chicken teriyaki sauce, which this is the standard as far as calories go in chicken teriyaki, versus this right here, no sugar added teriyaki marinade. If I were to take 1 cup here, that is 128 grams of carbs just from the sauce with 112 grams of sugar, okay? Here, by making this one simple swap of this teriyaki sauce, it is 32 carbs with 0 grams added sugar. Insane what the difference makes with a little swap like that. All right, so I already put 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. You're gonna add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then you're gonna lower the heat to low medium, right in between. Doesn't need to be on just necessarily low. You're gonna stir it up with the sauce. What this is gonna do, it's gonna help thicken the sauce a little bit like that restaurant style chicken teriyaki. We're not gonna talk about what that looks like, are we? One last important ingredient are the monk fruit drops. I'm gonna add probably 10 to 15 drops. What this is gonna do is gonna give that little bit of sweetness that regular teriyaki sauce gives you, but without the added sugar. And like I said, that's gonna save you a ton of calories there. So as you see, the sauce is already thickening. I made this the other night for the fam and it was a favorite. This is gonna be a new daily staple. I love chicken teriyaki, but I did not love all the added calories. So it is about done here. As you can see, this is ready to be served, friends. And just like that, we have 2 pounds of healthy chicken teriyaki ready to be served or saved for later. I'm going to pair it with some jasmine rice, quick, easy, throw it in the microwave, and we are ready to go. Thanks for joining in on my channel, ladies. If you would like more quick and convenient recipes, efficient workout and nutrition strategies, I ask you to please subscribe to my channel below. Click that subscribe button. Right next door, you can click that little bell that will notify you every time I upload a new video so you can be the first one to subscribe. Thanks for being here. Hope you have an awesome day.